Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by Lashacey. So in today's video I'm going to be swatching the glitters that I received from Vicky and Andy from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. I placed an order with them before and I did a swatch video, so I thought that I would do it again. So I'm going to swatch it on the back of some kitchen roll because I am classy like that. So I sent her 20 quid through PayPal and I said to her basically just send me whatever you think that I would like, because me deciding on what glitter I want is the hardest chore that anybody can do, especially me. So I just said to her, look, I'll send you 20 quid, send me whatever. I'm not fussed about the colours. So yeah, I've placed an order with them before, and I really love the glitters, and it's only £2 for 10 grams, which is bloody amazing. And I know for a fact that she put extras in Party Animal because this is a really heavy bag. I think she's doubled how much she's given me, but so yeah, so I got Party Animal, Unicorn Poop, then I got a Tutti Frutti, and this one is Sunshine. God. And then I've got Antique Rose. This one, Neon Poppin', love that. This one is Be Mine, Butte, Lemon Sherbet, and lastly we have Alice in Wonderland. So I guess I will start with the lighter ones. Let's do it like this. Right, I'm all sorted. Okay, so I'm going to swatch it with my clear acrylic from good old Nao. So we will start off with Lemon Sherbet. These are just bloody gorgeous. I love them so much. So let's get swatching. This it's just beautiful. Let's do it here. Look at that. Just look at that. Beautiful. Close the bag up because I will cry if I spill it. Quite clearly I would bloody cry. I'll cry at everything. Okay, Unicorn Poop. Love the name. Okay, what is that? Okay, it's like a cut out hexagon. And it's got a hexagon in it. Cute. We will go for Be Mine. Okay, so it's a pink. Okay, this has got some iridescent hexagons. I can see a diamond. I can see a few diamonds. What is that? Oh, it's a heart. Okay, there's an iridescent heart in there. They're beautiful. Okay, then we will go for Tutti Frutti. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love a lot. Okay, now we're going to go for Neon Pop-In. Love this. I'm saying that about them all. I love this. Oh, I love this. No, literally, I love them all. So pretty. Look at that. Bloody gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do a bit more. There is that one. So nice. Oh dear. Okay, then we have Sunshine. Very nice. And then Party Animal. This bag is so heavy. I know she gave me extras. Oops. That one is gorgeous. I can see like little red, do they call it tinsel or whatever they call it? And there is all different colours. Reds, purple, there's pink, green, orange. And then this here looks like, I can't really see what that is. Like an iridescent circle. Now onto antique rose. Yes, there's lots of hexagons in that one. Very pretty. And then lastly is the blue, which is Alice in Wonderland. This one has stars, yeah. Yeah, so it's got, oh, there's black stars, red stars, purple, gold, green, there's blue. And there's like a fine blue glitter, and it looks like an orange or a burnt orange. But they're so pretty, look. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I will definitely be placing another order soon. So I want to say a humongous thank you to Vicky and Andy for creating these masterpieces. Nothing makes me more happier than bloody glitter in my life. I just think they're all so beautiful. These 5 I will definitely be using spring, summertime. Even, do you know, all of these, I would wear them. Do you know they come out with glitters like for Valentine's or Christmas? I mean, like for the Christmas, if they have like Christmas trees in it, then obviously I'm not going to be using it in June, but I'll use all these all year round, to be quite honest. I am not fussed at all. But they're beautiful, so I want to say a big thank you again to Vicky and Andy. Also thank you for the extras. Yeah, the extras in this party animal, because this one is heavy. So thank you very much for watching. Take care. I'll give you one last little look. Look at them. Beautiful. Right, I'm off. Bye bye.